Tech Tricks.
Hello everyone, this is Ricky. Welcome to my channel Tech Tricks. A very happy new year to everyone watching this video. Hope 2021 will be good for you all. So let's begin with today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can install a VMware Pro and a Virtual Windows Server 2019 edition in it. So let's begin with installing VMware first. I will run the setup as administrator to start the installation. I am leaving the link of this VMware professional software in the description below. Anyone can download the software with the lifetime activation license key for free with the help of that link. You have to click next here and now accept the license agreement term and click next. Now just give a click on add VMware workstation control and click next. Uncheck both the boxes for update and customer experience. Click next. Now just tick desktop and click next again. Now give a click on install. Installation would take few minutes here, so just wait for a while. So after it finishes, just give a click on the license tab. Now you can go to the VMware downloaded folder. Here you will find a notepad labeled as key. Open that and you can see few license numbers. Just copy the first one and paste it to the setup page. Click enter and then finish. Now we will simply run the VMware with our desktop shortcut. And now I will show you the product information. Let me search the about page of this software. Here it is. The status is showing licensed and the expiration is showing no expiration. That means it's unlocked and free for use. And now I will show you how you can install Windows Server 2019 in it. So first, give a click on create new virtual machine, select typical, click next, and now you have to browse for the ISO image file. I am installing Windows Server 2019, so I will look for the Windows Server Edition's ISO file. Here it is. I have selected it and now I'll give a click on next. No need of entering the product key. Give a click on next, and here I am selecting the default folder where all the data of this server will be stored. Here I am looking for some old unused folder, but I can't find any of them, so I'll just create a new folder here. And I'll just rename it as virtual server. Now I can allocate the disk space of the virtual server. 60 GB is the minimum requirement. I am changing it to 200 GB and will click on next. Now here you can customize the hardware of your virtual machine. I am selecting 4 GB of RAM and I'll select 2 cores of processor. Let me change it. Here I am selecting 2 cores of processor and now I'll give a click on finish. So the installation begins. Now I will just fast forward the installation part as it's very common and same as Windows 10. You can watch my previous video for the full installation guide. I will drop the link in the description for that video as well. So here you can see the server installation is also finished and the VMware is auto installing some important tools like the video driver and other important drivers. Just let it complete. A small dialog box, it's asking me to restart the computer. I will click no as I am about to make some changes which also needs restart. So I'll manually do it later. No again. So I'll start with changing some basic settings in the computer. At first I will change the server's name and rename the virtual machine as Virtual Windows Server. We'll give a click on OK now. Okay, so it's asking me to remove the space in the name. I'll just change it and give a click on OK now. OK again. Notification to restart. Again restart later. Now I just have to add a password to its administrator so that I can remotely access it from other computers. Let me get into the computer management page now. Here I'll select the local user group and I'll select the users and I'll select administrator and set a password in it. And now here I'm allowing the remote access to this computer so that I can remotely take connection of this computer from any other laptop or desktop running in the same local network. I'll just give a click on apply and OK. And now I'm just quickly gonna restart the server so that I can show you how it's working with other computers in local network. And here you can see it's completely done now and ready to use. I will just quickly show you all that how it works in local network. I will just try to remotely connect the virtual server now. I'll quickly type the name of the virtual server. And we'll give a click on connect now. It's taking a bit time. Here it will ask you for the credentials, the username and password of the server which we made. Now I'll just quickly fill up this as well and we'll give a click on OK. We'll give a click on yes, and now we have just remotely accessed the virtual server. Here you can see the desktop image of Windows Server 2019. We have remotely accessed the server from our local computer. So I hope this video was informative and to the point. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks a million for watching this video till end.